they gave me a full-time offer, which I was super excited to receive. It was to join their tech banking team, and I love the people there. I still think it's an awesome place. A couple of things happened. So kind of right after receiving the full-time offer, I head back to school. I'm like on top of the world, set, basically until I graduate. And I got the news that I was able to graduate a semester early. So that was one piece. And then I also sort of kind of rekindled a relationship I had with somebody in Japan who I'd actually kind of informally interned with the previous summer. So the summer before I worked at Jefferies.
Got it.
And he kind of floated this idea of having me join a venture team that he was forming. So he was sort of investing off the balance sheet of Fidelity and kind of in the process of starting a fund. Anyway, so he floated this idea. I thought, I'm going to graduate early. We kind of said maybe there's something there. And kind of based on that, I turned down the job offer at Jefferies, which kind of seemed crazy in the moment, but in retrospect, I think was the right decision for me. And I moved to Tokyo and worked for a couple months as a waiter in a restaurant.
Had you ever, I mean, you said you had spent a year there, right? As a high school student?
I spent a couple months there in high school, and then I spent about a semester there in college.
Okay. So tell me about, it was something, it wasn't super new to you, but was it still after a few months, would it feel like culture shock a little bit, or was it something where you felt at home?